Hi everyone. Today, let us discuss Article 143. The President has invoked Article 143 of the Indian Constitution to refer a 14 constitutional questions to the Supreme Court for its advisory opinion. This is in regards with the recent Supreme Court judgment in which it has used complete justice through Article 142 in the case of State of Tamil Nadu versus the Governor of Tamil Nadu case 2023, imposing timelines on Governor and the President to act on the bills passed by the state legislature. This concerns with Articles 200 and 201. The advice of Council of Ministers to the President is mandatory to invoke Article 143. There are two types of questions in Article 143. Article 143 of 1 has the President may refer any question of law or fact of public importance which has risen or which is likely to arise. Here, the Supreme Court may render or refuse the render to give its opinion. In 1993, with regards to Ram Janmabhoomi case, the Supreme Court has rejected to give its opinion. In the Type 2 questions, which are of matters of pre-constitution treaty or agreement or anything related to interpretation of constitution. Now, this question should be answered mandatorily by the Supreme Court. However, in both the cases, the advice given by Supreme Court is not binding on the President. Now, let us solve this question of Prelims 2010. The Supreme Court of India renders advice to the President of India on the matters of law or fact. 1. On its own initiative. This is wrong. If he seeks such an advice, true, only if the matters related to fundamental rights of the citizens. No. Thus, the answer is 2 only. Thank you.